Brother? Sister. Okay. Where is brother? Where is brother in the picture? Where is sister in the picture? And where is mom? There is. And who is in your family? Brother, sister. Okay, where is mom? Mom. Okay, where is dad? Where is brother? Where is sister? Good. Thank you. Who is in your family, Ayat? Sister, brother. Okay. Thank you, Ayat. Who is in your family? Mom, dad, brother, sister. Who is in your family, Ali Akbar? Very good. Anaya, who is in your family?
Mom, dad, brother and sister.
Okay, where is mom? Where is brother? Moise, who is in your family?
Mom, dad, brother and sister.
Mom. Yes. Dad. Brother. Sister. Okay. Thank you. Who is in your family, Zara?
Mom, dad, sister, brother.
Very good. Where is mom? Where is brother? Where is sister? Where is dad? Thank you, Zara. Who is in your family, Anaya? Okay. Who is in your family, Anaya? Who is in your family? Very nice. Where is mom? Where is brother? Where is sister? Where is dad? Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. Who is in your family, Arfa? Dad. Where is dad? Where is dad, Arfa? Okay, thank you, Arfa. Who is in your family, Ifla? Brother and sister. Thank you, Ifla. Who is in your family?
Mom, dad, brother, sister.
Who is in your family, Abdullah?
Brother, dad, sister.
And where is mom?
Mom,
Yes.
mom,
Okay.
brother,
Yes.
sister.
Okay. Thank you, Abdullah. Who is in your family, Haram?
Mom, dad, sister, brother.
Thank you. Thank you, Haram. And where is mom? Who is in your family? Sister, brother. Okay. Who is in your family, Orhan? Thank you. In your family, Zara?
Brother, sister, dad, mommy,
Who is in your family, Zayan?
mom, dad, sister,
Thank you. Who is in your family?
sister.
Very good. Thank you so much. Who is in your family, Musa? Brother. Who is in your family?
Mom, dad, brother, sister.
Thank you. Who Who is in your family, Shal? Mom, dad, yes, brother and sister. Thank you so much, Ishal. Your family, Hisam? Very good, Hisam. Thank you so much. Excellent. Good job. Who is in your family? And sister. Huh? Thank you, Wahad.